So far, we've conquered issue 1 of 6. Let's tackle number 2. So first of all, I'm going to ping the gateway, so 10.1.0.1, and see if I've got connectivity. I've got connectivity there, so everything's good to go. I'm going to ping the switch 1, which I've got connectivity, so that's all up. So then I'm going to ping switch 2, make sure I've got connectivity there. Yep, that's good as well. Going to ping the switch, and now it doesn't look like that switch is pinging, so I could have an issue there. So it could be just the interface of the switch. Perhaps I just don't have the interface configured correctly. So what I can also do is ping one of the demos. So those are both plugged into switch 3. So I'm going to ping, let's see, ping 10.1.0 let's ping one of those. Okay, so I see that I don't have connectivity to one of the devices off of that switch as well. I could even go onto one of those demo Pis and then check connectivity from there. But I'm seeing here my requests are all timing out and destination host unreachable, so I have some sort of issue. And let me take a look at my network diagram. So I can ping everything on this side of the network. I just can't ping anything over here on this side, not the switch. And if I were to try the other Pis, I would be unsuccessful with that as well. So one thing I could do is I could jump over onto switch 3 and see what's going on with switch 3. Of course, if I pull up in my window here and I connect to switch 3, I'm not going to be successful with SSH because I just don't even have connectivity to it. I can't even ping that switch, so I don't even have basic connectivity to it. So I could open up a serial connection to it, but then I'd have to physically go to that switch and then plug my demo laptop into that switch in order to take a look at it. Or it's connected, that switch 3 is connected to switch 1. Perhaps if I take a look at switch 1, I might be able to see some information on what's going on with that. So I'm going to click on open with this, and I need the switch 1 password. So I'm going to grab the password here, get into here, and then switch 1. I actually need, this is my login. So there we have, I'm logged into it. Now I'm going to do one of my favorite commands, show IP interface brief, to take a look and see what's going on. These fast Ethernet ports are all administratively down. I'm going to scroll along. I see a couple, I just see 034 is down, it's not administratively down, but I'm not concerned with that one. This is actually plugged into port 45, and I see that that's administratively down. Aha! So I'm going to show run interface FA045 and see what's going on with that. And this is a 3750, so we've got that extra digit that's in there. And we see that there's a shutdown on there. So I'm going to jump into that interface FA1045, and I want to do a no shut on there. And let's see now if I can ping that switch, and that switch, oh, that is the wrong switch. I need to actually go to 13, switch 3, and see what happens with that. Took a few tries, but we are finally up and running. So I think that probably spanning tree protocol, which we'll learn about a little bit later, was taking a while to bring that port live and up. But now it's up, and we have figured out issue number 2, that one of the ports on switch 1 was administratively shut down.